What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We got some suspension work to do on the Lexus is250 like I said in the last video. Today we will be replacing control arms, wheel bearings, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're replacing this driver front lower control arm today. I got some assistance. This is the new arm. So let's see how it goes. Look at this. I was driving this car the whole time with nothing here. Look at it. It's crazy, man.
You got a hammer, puppy?
Yeah, right there, right behind you. The green handle. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we got that control arm out, but it was not easy. It was not easy. We got it out within like 30 to 45 minutes because this joint is rusted. Yeah. Okay, while doing the control arm, I decided to change the hub as well. So and we got it.
Both sides?
Yeah.
You want to go up and lift a little bit?
That's good?
Remember, this goes like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta go.
You got a torch or light?
Yeah.
This thing, you work in this thing every day. It
Yeah.
shows the bad shape.
It's my project car, yeah. Alright, look at this. This thing is so annoying. Now, I don't know if this was definitely the cause of my problem, but let's see. Alright, y'all. So, to actually remove the hub, you need an air hammer, which I use to get the old hub off of the spindle. Wait, this is right side so I don't forget. I think they're exactly the same. But this is the brand new one. And the old one. I can't say something was definitely wrong with it, but hey, I'm glad I changed this. Okay. And now to put on the new one. Alright, so as I was putting the bricks back on, I ended up forcing the bolt and I stripped the thread, so we're trying to re-thread this caliper bolt. So the stupid thing I did, I should have just stopped when I felt resistant, but I kept going, so I stripped the bolt, so we had to re-thread everything. Alright guys, it is the following day. It just got too late, so I couldn't record the end of what we did, but we replaced the front driver front lower control arm, and the two front wheel bearings were replaced. A lot of the noise, a lot of the issues with the car has been resolved. So the next thing to tackle is I need wheels and tires. I need struts. I just decided, like I said in the last video, I decided to just replace the two front, not the two front struts, but all four to factory heights, because driving on coilovers in this city, it's not ideal. But here are the two front. I ordered the two front. I'm gonna have to order the two rear either today or sometime this week or next week, but it's in here. Another thing is I'm probably going to replace the two rear bearings as well. Last thing I think I will replace is the front upper control arm. That probably needs to be replaced, but yeah, it's not at the top of my list. So the only thing that's top of my list right now is to get this car back to factory ride height. Again, the roads are horrible. I can't drive on coilovers commuting from New York to New Jersey. If you're from either one of those states, you understand. So that is what's gonna happen next. And I hope this video was informative. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about these videos. What other ideas you guys want to see concerning this car, or any other videos. So, and that's it for this video, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Alright guys, so I replaced the two front struts, but I did not buy the rear one, so the car is sitting kind of funny right now. Let me just step back and show you guys the gap difference. So if you see the angle of the car, it's a stupid idea for me to just replace the two front and not the two rear as well. But the two rear is on order, it's coming. It's just the two fronts happen to get here first, and it's a Saturday where the dealership is closed tomorrow, so most likely on Monday I'll replace the rear. But yeah, it looks stupid, but I gotta get home. I can't leave the car. Do a little walk around. Hopefully nothing falls off. Okay.